Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are paying for the ad-free plan but still seeing ads, it usually comes down to a plan mismatch, account issue, or content limitation. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix ads appearing on the ad-free plan on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that ad-free applies mainly to on-demand movies and series. Some contents may still include limited promos or live ads. Most issues come from subscription or profile mismatch, so focus on subscription and content type. Okay, so first thing you can do is confirm you are on the ad-free plan. So go to your Amazon accounts, open membership or subscription settings, verify ad-free Prime Video is active, and it ensures you actually have the plan. Okay, you can also check you are using the correct account, so log out of Prime Video, log back in with your main account, and avoids profile account mix-ups. Okay, so you can also check content type, like ads may still appear on live TV or sports, ad on channel content, promotional trailers, so regular movies or series should be ad free. Okay, you can also restart the app, like close Prime Video, like remove it and reopen it again so it refreshes subscription status. Okay, restart your device, like restart your TV, phone or computer. This clears temporary glitches. Okay, you can also update the app, like go to your app store, update Prime Video. This fixes subscription recognition bugs. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.